For this install, all engine covers can be left in place. The rail sensor is located on the end of the common rail towards the back of the engine. Remove the rail connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Then connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Disconnect the factory boost connector, again by pressing down on its releasing tab. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Then connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.